Good morning, everyone. We are about to embark on one of the most adventurous hikes on the island. We are gonna go head into what's called the Blue Hole. It's basically a huge canyon with a ton of waterfalls. We're gonna try and get an early start. The roosters are helping us out, but Anderson's having a little sleep in, so let's go wake him up. See if he's ready for this adventure.
Okay, camera right in the face.
It's the look of someone who's just ready to go on an adventure.
Look at somebody who's ready to kill a fucking rooster.
Hiking into the Blue Hole. It's a pretty tough road to drive all the way on. Got stuck at a stream that was way too deep for our car, so now we're walking. This is the exciting first 2 miles of the hike. Here we are approaching the Jurassic Park gate. Not quite as big as I remember from the movie.
What do they got in there, King Kong?
We've made it to Jurassic Park, so we'll be lucky if we see a couple dinosaurs. It had been a struggle finding good information on this hike, so we began with some uncertainty and doubt as to the proper trails to take. Due to our lack of information, we knew this hike would require more attention to detail than anything we'd done so far.
I think the raptors may have gotten him. Poor Frank.
Do you like getting your shoes wet, and getting sweaty, and getting muddy, climbing over trees, slipping on rocks? This is your hike. As the jungle got denser, we became less confident in whether we were on the correct trail. Need a shower after this one. I'm falling! I have no friction to keep myself up. I made it to the waterfall. It's pretty cool. Nice little pit stop. Breaks off some of the mud. Made it to the Weeping Wall, Blue Hole, whatever you want to call it. There's water running down the walls, nice streams, beautiful green grass, the hills, the cliffs. It's an epic hike. Boulder jumping, up the river, lots of waterfalls. It was super cool.
This is epic. So sick.
Today we took a risk in starting this hike with limited information. Sometimes with adventures and in life, you need to take those risks in order to reap the greatest rewards. Tune in to ETA next time for another epic trip adventure. 2 days ago we got punched in the face by winter. It's snowing. Heard it's not snowing in California. So that's where we're gonna go. California's warm.